you are familiar with Google Translate. However, what if we told you that you can make $30 every 10 minutes, which can be up to $180 per hour? Welcome to Finan Simple, where money is made easy, and we'll teach you how. It should be noted that this approach is entirely free, anyone may complete it, all you need is a PayPal account. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So, you simply want to go to the Google Translate webpage. You only need to enter Translate into Google to access the page, which most of you may already be aware of. When that happens, all you have to do to access the whole website is click Google Translate at the first search result. If you don't know how to use Google Translate, all you need to do to translate something is to select the language you want it to be translated into while you're on the page. Let's say you wanted to learn Spanish. When you write hello, it should translate to hola in Spanish, right? So, not too complicated. So once you learn how to translate, it's simple and uncomplicated. The only thing left for you to do is to go to CPA Grip, a website that makes it so simple to generate money. All you have to do is copy your affiliate link from one of the activities the website will provide you. Then, if someone does an action, like clicking a link or sending an email, you will be paid. As a result, utilizing this website to generate money is really simple, and since PayPal is used to pay users, pretty much anyone in the globe may use it. PayPal is actually a global company, thus if you can open a PayPal account, you can easily utilize this website. All you need to do to sign up for it is click register. Once you are registered, you will be taken directly to the dashboard. To register for the website, you just need a few things: an email address, your name, a phone number, as simple as that. As a result, one of the things you'll be able to view as soon as you join the website is a list of all the users who are earning money through it. There will be some individuals that generated 15,000 leads and earned $30,727.35 who are making a fortune by doing this. All you need to do is go to Offer Tools, select My Offers, and it will automatically detect the location you are in. Let's say you are in the US, it will display the United States for you, where the majority of the offers will show the best ones in the US. As of this recording, the highest paid offers pays $2.05, which is not terrible. If your site has a lot of visitors, you may make a lot of money doing this, right? However, if you wanted to earn $2,000 utilizing this strategy and the offers there, you would need to generate traffic from 1,000 people, which not many of you would be able to easily achieve. However, what if you could earn more than $2 each offer, right? So, one thing that not many people may be aware of is that you must utilize top paying nations with high value offers. Wait a minute, what does that even mean? Allow us to show you. You want to modify your location to a nation like France, maybe Italy, maybe Spain. You will see that the payoff in France is $23, which is significantly more than the $2 that you just saw from the United States. They have this since not many people utilize these nations to generate income. CPA Grip wants to spend more money to provide incentives for people in these nations to begin utilizing their website. In contrast to France, where fewer individuals use it, it is widely used in the United States. To encourage you to begin utilizing this in France as well, they want to offer incentives. Sounds interesting, right? So let's say you give Spain a go and see what it has to offer. You will see that they pay more in Spain with $28 as their highest offer. Therefore, they are paying you $28 to complete their orders in Spain. In Italy, the highest paid offer in Italy is $17. So, let's say you pick Spain to carry out our strategy. If you refresh, things could change and Spain could not be making the highest offer. You should research further the nations that pay the most. You may check Sweden, Portugal, Australia, Switzerland, Brazil, Egypt, and Mexico, to name just a few. You may take a peek at these nations to see what is being promoted and how much is being paid. It's that simple. Let's say as of this moment, they are now paying the highest in Spain. The reason they are paying so much is that people don't know Spanish, thus you simply have to select an offer in Spain. Since they can communicate in other languages, they don't advertise in other languages, which is why most individuals only want to advertise in English. Here is where you have a chance to succeed. Therefore, you should click an offer there. Let's say you click the first offer in order to obtain your affiliate link. Imagine, it is an ad that makes you enter your phone number that gives you a chance to win. Therefore, they are asking you to submit your phone number in order to be eligible for their offer, and for each individual who does so, you will receive $28.76, right? So, in order to obtain your affiliate link, you must now select a domain. You could just select something like morofiles.com for the tracking domains. Once you select one, you will now be able to get your affiliate link. So, anytime someone makes a purchase, in this case, it's not a purchase, whenever people submit their phone numbers for a chance to win the offer, you're going to be getting the dollar amount stated there, and you will have your affiliate link that you're going to be utilizing to advertise that offer. As a result, once you have your affiliate link, you should copy it and save it somewhere so you won't forget it. Since your link is pretty long, you need to visit bit.ly.com to shorten it and make it more inviting for people to click, right? Okay, so people will click on your link in order to win a free generator, a solar generator. You can search for Spanish to English solar generator on Google. Since Spanish-speaking individuals will read your ad, you should write it in Spanish. Therefore, you copy your link, go to bit.ly, create a new shortened link, enter the long URL there, then paste your affiliate link. Then, simply click Create. You must then enter the name of your offer on the customized back half. So, generador solar is how the term solar generator is translated to. You simply need to copy it, paste it on the back half, delete the blank area, and check to see whether it's available. If it is unavailable, make adjustments like, let's say, add a number 12 at the end. That one should be good. You should now copy this URL and store it safely. Now that your URL has been condensed, you should go to a website like trafficcadbar.com. But go and copy your affiliate link first and go back to that website. Even if just 10% of those 100 people took advantage of the offer, you would still be making $280, and it would not even be that bad because it took you less than 10 minutes to put it up. Therefore, you should go to trafficcadbar.com and, under the Add a Website section, copy your bit.ly address and put it there. So, you have your affiliate link for your solar generator related item, correct? Therefore, you should choose Add a Website and add it there. So, here is where Google Translate is useful. You want to first return to CPA Grip and see what they're advertising on the ad you just chose, right? They are displaying, you can win now Jackery Solar Generator 1000 in this instance. Next, you should enter this into Google Translate. So, you will now translate from English to Spanish and the result will be Spanish translated text. You want to use that in your title, so put it there. However, since you can only put a limited amount at first in trafficcadbar.com, you have to copy it in sections. Once you are done, you will now be able to see your advertisement. So, what language do your website and advertisement use? You should input Spanish because that's the language in which you're creating your advertisement. You should write Spain for the nation you wish to advertise in. Therefore, you will receive one additional credit since you will advertise in Spain. Then, you should click Save as soon as you're done, and it will immediately return you to the homepage so that it can submit your advertisement to the network. Congratulations! You have now successfully published your ad to the internet. You will get paid $28.76 each time a person does what you ask them to do, in this case entering their phone number, as long as you convince them to do it. Keep in mind that Traffic Ad Bar guarantees you off at least 1,000 visits for your posted advertisement. That was how you can use Google Translate to earn up to $180 every hour. It may even be more, as it all depends on how willing you are to repeat the process we have taught you. What are you waiting for? Get started now and start making money as soon as now. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made Finan simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon!